A wonderful day to all of you. Rusal again, your evangelist. This is the sixth plagues, Revelation 16, 12, 14. And the sixth angel poured out this vial upon the great river Euphrates, and the water thereof was dry up, that the way of the kings of the east might be prepared. Rusal Rabi.
Ito po ang ika-anim na salot, Apokalipsis 16:12-14. At ibinuhos ng ika-anim ang kanyang mangkok sa malaking ilog ng Euphrates at natuyo ang tubig nito upang mahanda ang dadaanan ng mga hari mula sa sikatan ng araw. Ito po yung hindi pa natutuyuan ang ilog ng Euphrates, napakaganda. This is a picture of Euphrates River not drying up. The river of the Euphrates was very beautiful. Ito po ng dating picture pa po. Here's the old picture. Isa po ito sa dating picture na bago matuyuan ang ilog ng Euphrates. Napakaganda po. Ngayon ay napakapangit na po. This is one of the old pictures before the Euphrates River dried up. It's very beautiful, now very ugly. Ayan po, pangit na, malapit na po matuyuan talaga. It's so ugly that it's about to dry up. Iyan na po, binuhos na po ng mga anghel ang ika-anim na salot sa Euphrates. Now, this is the picture of year 2022. And now, last October, year 2022, it is dry up now. Ito po ang mapa ng ilog ng Euphrates. Here is the map of the Euphrates River. Ito na po ang isa sa mga picture. Here is one of the pictures. Gumising na po kayo, napakalapit na po ng wakas. Po ito sa mga picture ng Euphrates. This is one of the pictures of the Euphrates. Wow, napakapangit po at hindi ko matagalang tingnan. Wow, it's so ugly and I can't look at it for a long time. Napakaraming patay na isda dahil natuyo na ang ilog. There are many dead fish because the river is drying up. Euphrates River now, latest as of 2022, it's vanishing. Ito po ang last picture noon, October taon 2022. Natapos po ng October 2022. Narito po mga teksto sa Bible na dapat nyo na may konigta sa ilog ng Euphrates. Basahin ang Revelation 16:12, Revelation 9:14, and 2 Kings 23:29. Here are some Bible texts that you should read when you are in the Euphrates River. Revelation 16:12, Revelation 9:14, and 2 Kings 23:29. Revelation 16:12 at Revelation 9:14. At binuhos ng ika-anim ang kanyang mangkok sa malaking ilog ng Euphrates, at natuyo ang tubig dito, upang maihanda ang dadaanan ng mga haring mula sa sikatan ng araw. And the sixth angel poured out his vial upon the great river Euphrates, and the water thereof was dried up, that the way of the kings of the east might be prepared. Na nagsasabi sa ika-anim na anghel na may pakakak, kalagan mo ang apat na anghel na nagagapo sa malaking ilog ng Euphrates, saying to the sixth angel which had the trumpet, loose the four angels which are bound in the great river Euphrates. 2 Kings 23:29. Nang mga kaarawan niya, si Paraon Nikaw na hari ng Ehipto at umahon labas sa haring Assyria sa ilog Euphrates, at ang haring Josias ay naparoon labas sa kanya at pinatay niya sa mga Megiddo nang makita niya siya. In his days, Pharaoh Necho king of Egypt, went up against the king of Assyria to the river Euphrates, and King Josiah went against him, and he slew him at Megiddo when he had seen him. Una po ay sumunod sa 10 utos ng Diyos. Ayusin nyo ang buhay nyo. Yung sa ikalawang utos po, huwag kang gagawa ng mga larawan at huwag mo sasambahin. Mortal pong kasalanan po, sabi ng Biblia. Kung gusto nyong maligtas, huwag na po nyo gawin yon. Ikalawa, ipangilin nyo ang mga Sabado at humiwalay na po kayo sa asawa nyo na hindi naman po kayo kasal. Yung mga pinagbabawal na gamot po, huwag na po kayong magbili at kumamit. Yung po sa iba pang mga utos ay sumunod po kayo. First, obey the 10 commandments of God. Organize your life. The second commandment that you do not make images and do not worship is a mortal sin, the Bible says. If you want to be saved, don't do that. Second, remember the Saturdays, keep it holy, and break up with your husband that you are not married. Those prohibited drugs, please do not buy and use them. Follow the other orders. You need to follow the Lord commandments.
Okay, I will end this album here. Thank you very much, Rosal Rabi.
Thanks to all of you. Please watch, subscribe, like, and share to Angel's Message Inc.